Hello, everyone. My name is Ese. I'm going to be reading you a children's book, and the title of the book is The Wolf's Chicken Stew by Keiko Kesa. There once lived a wolf who loved to eat more than anything else in the world. As soon as he finished one meal, he began to think of the next. One day, the wolf got a terrible craving for chicken stew. All day long, he walked across the forest in search of a delicious chicken. Finally, he spotted one. Ah, she is just perfect for my stew, he thought. The wolf crept closer, but just as he was about to grab the prey, he had another idea. If there was just some way to fatten this bird up a little more, he thought, there will be all the more stew for me. So, the wolf ran home to his kitchen and he began to cook. Wonder why he's cooking. First, he made 100 scrumptious pancakes. Then, late at night, he left them on the chicken's porch. Eat well, my pretty chicken, he cried. Get nice and fat for my stew. The next night, he brought 100 scrumptious donuts. Eat well, my pretty chicken, he cried. Get nice and fat for my stew. And on the next night, he brought a scrumptious cake weighing 100 pounds. Eat well, my pretty chicken, he cried. Get nice and fat for my stew. Wondering why he's cooking for the chicken. At last, all was ready. This was the night he has been waiting for. He put a large stew pot on the fire and set out joyfully to find his dinner. That chicken must be as fat as a balloon by now, he thought. Let's see. But as he peeked into the chicken house, as the wolf peeking into the chicken house, the door opened suddenly and the chicken screeched. Oh, so it was you, Mr. Wolf. The wolf is looking really terrified. I wonder why. Children, look, the pancake and the donuts and the scrumptious cake, they were in from Santa Claus. All those presents were from Uncle Wolf. The little chicks jumped all over the wolf and gave him 100 kisses. Oh, thank you, Uncle Wolf. You are the best cook in the world. There's a little chick all over the wolf. Uncle Wolf didn't have chicken stew that night, but Miss Chicken fixed him a nice dinner anyway. Oh, shucks, he thought as he walked home. Maybe tomorrow I'll bake the little critters 100 scrumptious cookies. That's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed the story. Have a great day. See you guys next time. Bye.